तुम पळयलां आसतलें ते फाटल्यान मशीन आहा ते उदकान वयता आनी उदकान काम करतात ताका एम्फिबियन मशीन म्हणटात एम्फिबियन कित्याक उदकान वयता म्हण दिस इज द फर्स्ट टायम इन हिस्ट्री ऑफ गोवा that this machine has come to North Goa. Poile party North Goa machine ayala. So I'm very happy and I'm very grateful to the government that they have given us this machine the way that we have wanted it to be done for execution for the betterment of the people. As we had assured the people that we are going to do desilting, so the first desilting work is being undertaken below the Tar bridge because we have a lot of Ganesh Visarjan over here. आणि लोकां पासत आमी ते machine हाडलां. I am very grateful to Honorable Minister Subhash Shirodkar, our Chief Engineer Badami, Nazareth, who is our Executive Engineer, and Sudesh Parolekar, and AE, and our Avinash Asgaonkar, who have been always helpful in bringing works quickly without delaying and wasting time. So आता आमचे हें जातलें आनी थोडे डिविडिंग पासून आहा तें ब्लॉक्स जातले म्हापशा रिवर नियर द त्रार ब्रिज ते काम जातलें. Then from here they will move to the next Visarjan point there at Bastora and they will do this. There is a demand for Ukasai and Pomburpa also. This machine, seeing the size of it, it has to be taken on that big crane and we are having problem that it is touching the wires and the wires will fall or they may get a shock. So we're trying to see what best can be done. That area requires a big boom, and for the big boom only this kind of a machine can go, and this is an amphibious machine which can go in the water and get the work done. So we are trying to see what best we can. If it's not possible this time, we'll definitely execute those works of Fukasai and Pomurpa next time. But I'm trying my best to see how we can help the people so as to have a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Thank you.